Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: a Google account, a GCP project, and billing if you plan to exceed free quotas. Once done, open Google Cloud Console and select or create your project. This ties API usage to that project. Next, configure the OAuth consent screen so users and testing accounts are defined. Make sure you pick internal or external correctly and add the basic scopes you'll need. These steps let the console present your app when requesting access to sheets. After the consent screen, go to APIs and Services library and enable the Google Sheets API for your project. This switches on endpoints and quota tracking. Then open Credentials and choose the right credential type, OAuth 2. 0 client ID for user-facing apps or service account for server-server access. Create the credential, set authorized redirect URIs if needed, and download the JSON key or copy client ID and secret. Make sure to store secrets securely and restrict key usage to your app. Finally, test your setup. For OAuth apps, run the auth flow and grant the requested scopes. For service accounts, share the target spreadsheet with the service account email so it can access it. Once authenticated, use Google's client libraries or direct REST calls to read or write sheets. Confirm your requested scopes match actions. If things go wrong, recheck IAM permissions, ensure the Sheets API is enabled on the same project. Validate redirect URIs, and confirm billing if quotas are exceeded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.